Hello, friends. I hope you're having an amazing day. I'm so excited to share something truly life-changing with you. If you've been struggling to lose weight, feeling frustrated, or simply don't know where to begin, you're in the right place. Today, I'm introducing you to the Nagano Lean Body Tonic, an extraordinary supplement that's been transforming lives by making weight loss easier, faster, and more effective. We all know how challenging it can be to shed those extra pounds, especially when your metabolism is sluggish. But did you know that your gut health plays a crucial role in your ability to lose weight? If your gut is out of balance, it can slow your metabolism and increase fat storage. That's where the Nagano Lean Body Tonic comes in. This powerful tonic is packed with natural ingredients and potent microbiomes that work together to restore your gut health, boost your metabolism, and help your body burn fat more efficiently. It's a simple and effective solution for anyone who has struggled with weight loss and wants to regain control over their body. The best part? This formula is entirely natural, so you don't need to worry about harmful chemicals or side effects. Just mix 1 scoop of this powdered tonic with water and you're good to go. Whether you're busy, on the move, or a parent juggling a million things, the Nagano Lean Body Tonic is designed to fit effortlessly into your daily routine. And the benefits don't stop at weight loss. In addition to helping you shed fat, it promotes better digestion, boosts your energy levels, reduces stress, and even improves your skin and hair health. It's a complete wellness solution that helps you feel rejuvenated inside and out. To experience the full benefits, consistency is key. While results come quickly, I recommend using the tonic for 3 to 6 months for lasting transformation. And don't worry, there's a 90-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. One last thing, the Nagano Lean Body Tonic is only available on its official website. Be cautious of other sellers. Click the link below to access the official page where you can make a secure purchase and learn more about the product. Take control of your health today with the Nagano Lean Body Tonic. Feel energized, confident, and ready to take on the world. Click the link now and start your journey toward a healthier, happier you. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to hear about your amazing results. See you soon!